Hello, good morning, good noon, good afternoon, and good evening everyone. Welcome back to the show, welcome back to Double Bear Show. And today we'll have an unleashing of Kit. And yeah, this is big. And as I know, there are two kits here. Yeah, two kits. So yeah, without further ado, let's go. There are some hair from my dog. Okay, so let's open and let's see what are the kits inside with the help of our hobby knife. Yeah, it's rusted, so I will change the blade later, but for now just opening the box or unleashing kits. Let's go, let's unleash. Okay, so we unleash it and we have two right here. Yep, so there are two here. So let's have the first one. So have your first. Yeah, this is your 9901. Yeah, so what kit it is? So let's try to open. Where can I open it? Right here. Okay, so this came here in our place, which I think it takes 3 weeks because yeah, it's a sea travel kind of package, and I've ordered this outside the country. And yeah, I ordered this before the Chinese New Year, and because of the Chinese New Year, it takes 3 weeks before it gets here. So this right now, the 9901, is the okay, I want to find the instruction manual. If we have an instruction, okay, we have. So we have your instruction manual. This is your MH9901. Yeah, you can see it. And this 9901 is yours. So we don't have an image on the box or whatever. So I will just show you at the last part what it is, which it will tell us what it is. Okay, so this is your Astray Outframe D. Am I right? Outframe D. Yeah. Okay. If I'm right, so just correct me if I'm wrong. Just correct me in the comment section, or maybe I just already correct myself on my title right there. Okay. So yeah. So this is the out frame. Okay, so this is a direct copy, but it's a bootleg, man. Okay, it's not an original one. This is a direct copy of the Outframe D, the Astray Outframe D, which is from the Premium Bandai. So I will just close it. So yeah, before we close it, I will just let you see some of the runners. See that? The red V-fin, the yellow parts, which is very nice, man. Yeah. So this is a direct copy from the Premium Bandai because yeah, it's not a normal kind of release for these kits. So they're from the Premium Bandai, and yeah, you know, when you say Premium Bandai, it will be very pricey. Okay, and yeah, I also have this guilt, a little bit of guilt, when this kit also released in Dragon Momoko, if I'm right. Dragon Momoko, or yeah, I think it's Dragon Momoko. It's released in Dragon Momoko brand, which is a bootleg brand also, which they released this Outframe D before the Premium Bandai. Yeah, the bootleg community or the bootleg companies released first this before it became a Premium Bandai, and the details on that Dragon Momoko is very sharp. So I didn't bought it because yeah, it's an Astray. I have some Astray already, so I just skip a little. I just skip it until yeah, what happens to the Dragon Momoko brand. Okay, so right now it's very rare for the Dragon Momoko with the Outframe D. So yeah, when I saw this, which is already available again, but it's a copy from the Premium Bandai. It's not from the Dragon Momoko with that very sharp edges, very sharp details. This one, yeah, we know it. I think they copy some of the parts of the Astray, the red frame Astray maybe, yeah, because it's the same Astray, but it has a different loadout of the weapons and some other new parts maybe. Okay, so yeah, we'll know that when we will build this. Okay, so this is your 9901. So we have this, your 9901, and then the next one is your 9902, which is your 9902. I will tell you already what it is. This is your Gundam, if I'm right, how to call it. But more of the people which is in the community, they call this as Gundam Testament. But this is also an Astray. It's yeah, it's a frame from Astray also. Wow. Oh, see that? So I will show you some of it. That's the V-fin of our Testament. It's very nice, man. Very long. And yeah, it doesn't have a safety flag. Yeah, it doesn't have a safety flag. But it's still nice. Oh, here it is. Oh, the guns. I will let you show you. That's the handgun. And also some of its silver claws. Okay, so I will just let these details be at ease. The red, ooh, the frame is very nice. The red, not so red. It's a little bit like of these, the Charles Zacho red, if I'm right. Yeah, that's how red it is for me. And now we will have its instruction manual, so that I can show you that it is really the Testament Gundam. So you can see here, it's your MH9902. Okay, and it has some red flames, which indicates that it is the red Gundam or the red Testament because it's color red. Okay, so it's on the last part. Oh, you see that? Okay, so I will let you see it. There is one, yeah, right there. That's your Testament Gundam Astray. I don't know if it still have the name of the Astray on its name, but as I know, it's called Gundam Testament. Okay, so yeah, I will just again and again I will just correct myself on the title of my video. Okay, and it has decals, but you know me, I'm not a fan of decals. Yeah, so I don't know if I will put it. Yeah, I just want to build it but I'm not fan of putting decals. But if it's necessary, then let's do it. But if it's not, then I won't. And one of the best part here is they give you a big stand. Yeah, see that? It's a big stand, which is very nice. Okay, so yeah, that's our unleashing for today, which we have these two. Now, my guilt from the Dragon Momoko is healed. Because I bought them now. Oh, how to close it? It's not getting even now. I'm gonna put it. Okay, again, I have the two. Yeah, we have the Outframe D, am I right? Astray Outframe D and the Gundam Testament. Okay, so yeah. So same as usual. They are MG, so they have some full inner frame. And same also with the Gundam Testament. It's also based on the Premium Bandai. Okay, which the Premium Bandai, the Premium Bandai's price ranges from 3,000 to 5,000 pesos for this one. And yeah, with the scalpers, oh yeah, you know them. Some of those sellers, yeah, which get so many stacks. Some ranges to 6,000 already. But this one, I only bought this. If in a regular price, you can buy this for 1,200 to 1,300 range of price. But with the butchers that I have, I bought this for, I think this one is only 950 or 980 pesos. And this one is only, I think it's 1,100. Yeah. Testament is a little bit pricey than the Outframe D. But still, it's a steal, man. Still, it's a steal because you will not get those high price from the Premium Bandai. But let's see the quality, if it's good or not. During the live build, yep. And then after the live build, I will give you the unboxing. And after the unboxing, I will also have the Gunpla showcase. Okay? So that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And if you enjoy this kind of videos and contents, please do consider to like, share, comment, subscribe, and please hit that notification bell to inform for our next videos. Alright? Yep. So that's it. Yeah, MG. So if you want you want this kit to be prioritized, just comment down there on the comment section. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much, guys. So that's it. So good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Jake De La Paz signing off, and Gambler Show signing off. Yeah, MG, let's go. I think let's go. Let's do the MG. Let's do the MG. Wow, it's so big, man. Oh, good balls. I got to reach my camera. Bye.